Hi viewers, in this video I am going to tell you how to make $100,000 per month online. Sorry, $1,000. Apply your skills and make an extra $1,000 per month to start earning online. You will simply need to have a good internet connection and the hours free to do the job you choose. In general, there are many types of tasks you will be able to choose from. Whether you want to focus on investing your time and getting a passive income later on, or prefer to have a everyday side job if not full-time employment. Are you ready to stretch your hands for enough to make $1,000 a month from home? Travel payouts. Travel payouts is an affiliate network in the travel niche. With travel payout, you will be able to earn on car rentals, hotel bookings, tours and excursions, insurances for tourist transfers and taxi services, flights, a bus and train tickets, and many other travel products. The company partners with Booking.com, Kayak, BlaBlaCar, and a number of other companies providing tourism services. It is easy to get started with Fiverr. Just create an account on the platform. The membership is absolutely free. In contrast to other freelance websites, upon registration, you will need to fill in the information about yourself and choose an attractive tagline. Then it's time to create your first gig, which is a term used to describe the services you give. One gig equals one service. Keep in mind that Fiverr retains 20% of each transaction. The minimum price for service is $5 and the maximum cost depends solely on you. Notably, you can charge additional fees for extra services, so your income potential is unlimited. Potential income depends mainly on three things: your skills, knowledge, your price, and your time. Normally, a web developer takes $250 for the average job on Fiverr. So, with your task per month, it is possible to get $1,000 in a month. Copywriters claim to earn $2,000 per month, but it also depends on the amount of time dedicated to working and its quality. The more positive reviews you have, the more clients you will attract. Daily rewards. This platform allows making money through online service, watching shows, reading emails, and doing other simple tasks to help different companies around the globe conduct market research since its foundation in 2000. Daily Rewards has already paid off millions of dollars to its users. It is one of the best platforms for taking service online. In the beginning, you will see the amount of money you can earn and how much time you would spend on the task. Another thing to do is read advertisement emails and confirm whether you would like to take this service.